When I first walked into the, whatever this is, ballroom, it's the second day to the show. But I always wanted to get into a band. Wear some little stuffy white tuxedo. Your band running rhythm. Says, hey, hey, hey. What you got to say? Said, hey, hey, hey. What you got to say? Tonight. That's how we're feeling tonight. Come on, how are you feeling tonight? That's more like it. Pump some drinks into these people. All right, let's get the party started here. I want to see everybody in the house, and I mean everybody in the house, take your left hand and raise it there just like this. Come on. You see the left hand, stick them on up there. Your other left. Yeah, that one. That means everybody in the house. You people over there. You people over there. Table Dog, 2nd Street over there. Check it out now. Yo, for those of you left in the house who don't, you gotta have your left hands in there. Don't you work out what's up. For those of you who don't know me, I know the sex police personally. And anybody who doesn't raise your left hand, no sex whatsoever for the next 8 months. Uh-oh. Y'all better raise those left hands. It just works. No sex whatsoever, not even with yourself. Oh, man. Get them up there. Raising all my hands. The second half is real easy. Take your right hand and smack the hell out of the left one. Come on, y'all can do that. Hell out with 2 for 2nd Street. heard James Brown do that in '67. I just thought I'd try it out. All right, second half of audience participation. participation time. Now we're gonna put your voices to work. You sing and we watch. Don't stop clapping now. Come on, put your hands back together, y'all. Come on, see this. Don't get high. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah, right on, y'all. Are we ready to sing? Okay, this is how we do this. Once I sing, all you want to do is ride around Sally. And then you sing, ride, Sally, ride. You're so smart. Think you can do that? Hello. Oh yeah, all right. I guess I can. Let's try it right here, but break it down so we can hear them. All you want to do is ride around Sally. You sing. Ride, Sally, ride. I know that's right. Ride around real loud, come on. Ride, Sally, ride. Oh, yeah. All you wanna do is ride around Sally up high. Ride, Sally, ride. You know you're mad. Sit up. All you wanna do is ride around Sally one more time. Ride, Sally, ride. Wanna be Sally Boney. I got a little pissed off with the lady. This is what I said. It's just look here now. Taking the keys back. You're gonna be walking. Gonna be walking. You're gonna be walking. You're gonna be walking. Ladies and gentlemen, I think we're ready for the raffle. So you guys stick around, keep your fingers crossed.
Second Nation, ladies and gentlemen, from that boy. Second Nation.
Thank you so much, y'all. All right. Right on.
Thank you.
We're going to have a little dance.